We are going to stay in this Sheraton hotel for one night, and this is always a hotel that we come to visit and stay when we visit the Taipei Pride. It's a very good convenient location near to the metro station, and we always stay here for one night when we never really have time to vlog about this stay. So this video going to share with you that the stay experience with this hotel. We'll show you the room facility, the lounge, the breakfast, and then anything that I can share with you. We recommend you, if you are a platinum guest, go to 17th floor for the check-in at the club lounge. Then you can get a nice coffee first. Check-in is very fast. I love to check in the club lounge. And then today we got an upgrade to the executive of director room or something. I will check out the name and then I will share with you. Okay, let's go. It's lovely to have the room near to the club lounge, and then we can grab the coffee and drink easier later. So today the room will be 1721 over there. I need to rush to check out to see the doctor appointment for my kidney stone. So I'm going to do a quick room tour. Over here they got the full length mirror, the mini bar. Oh, that's a wardrobe, and let's see, it's empty. And then the capsule, we had 2 capsules, the tea, oolong tea, jasmine tea, English breakfast. I think the fridge, oh wow, it's fully stocked up now. But if we are just right beside the lounge, we can just go to the lounge anytime. And very nice living room, the walking decks, all this thing. What is this? Oh my god, this is a head massager. This is so cool. So you can just massage any part that you need, and 2 alcohol wipe, and a welcome message. I think it's a smart, not so smart TV, a little bit old school. And the view here, it's not too bad though. I like this view, and this space is quite funny. But it's good for you to have a sun tanning. Just lay out some towel here, you can have a good tanning, right? Then here's a bed. Big TV right over here. There's a chocolate. I think it should be saw some turn down last night. I think because there's a slipper here and the snack is there, right?
Maybe now they don't have turn down service.
Or maybe no turn down service. You are right. So another wardrobe over here. You can put all your luggage. And then okay, how to turn on the light? Okay, it's on. So the bathtub, then the standing shower, the 2 drinking bottle, hair dryer, and I'm not sure what is this. I think it's an antibacterial thing. And the toilet bowl with the Japanese bidet to wash your private part or your backside clean. Okay, we are going to brush our tea, then we'll show you the afternoon tea and also the evening cocktail and the facility.
After we have freshened up, so I'm responsible for doing the bed test. The bed looks really huge. It's like very far away from me, from one end to the other. Track count of the duvet is slightly on the rougher side. Bed sheet still acceptable. The pillowcase is like of the highest track count, I feel. Okay, so without further ado, 1, 2, 3. Oh, the bed is very soft. I think Jim will enjoy it, and very stable as well. Yeah, I think the bed frame is very stable. It looks like two bed frame combined into one. So the bed looks exceptionally long because I'm 1.84 meters, and I think this bed is at least 2 meters long. Okay, pillow wise, the pillow is really nice and soft, but still provide appropriate level of support for you. So if you like, you can actually stack two pillows on top of each other to provide that neck support. Texture, the pillow at the bottom is of the softer texture, while the one on top is like medium soft. Yes, so with that, this is the bed test. We'll be sharing with you the lounge experience, including the afternoon tea.
Here, the afternoon tea is something like leftover from the breakfast and some of the biscuit and Swiss roll. And that's it. So here you can get some juice and the same thing. So this is the lounge. Hopefully it's not much people here. Then you can show you a little bit of the lounge. Let me show you what you can get from the evening happy hour. Let me go for the food first. There's a hot station with the ham, oven grill vegetable, corn soup, and steamed fish, turmeric rice, seasonal vegetable, and there is some steamed barbecue bun, sauteed mushroom. The food here looks average now. I remember last time the food is quite nice. There are some salad and hot grass jelly. Sean, your favorite? Yeah, that's sushi. Still the same like this breakfast. It's a pork meal and the bread. And Sean is busy with the wine. So there are sparkling wine. Looks quite good. And some Pinot Grigio, lovely. And some Chardonnay and the fruits. Okay, I'm going to get the seat now. Okay. And of course, if you like beer, there are 4 different types of beer. Taiwan beer with a grape flavor, Heineken, original beer, and the Japanese Kirin Ichiban beer. I had a very good sleep. Kind of drunk last night. Have a lot of alcohol from the party. The shower is quite annoying. Is
Yeah.
you need to turn a little bit, and then it's either way too hot or either way it's too cold. I love the shampoo. I love the hair conditioner. All very good. And the hair dryer is a very powerful hair dryer. I just checked out late just now.
Okay.
Yeah. How's your sleep?
It was good. Very comfortable as well. And then I find the shower temperature very difficult to adjust.
I just said that.
Yeah. Also.
Oh, okay.
And then I just slept throughout until morning. So not much complaint. The room is very quiet, although it's by the roadside. So the soundproofing is done pretty well.
And
the air conditioning is also quite good, quite powerful. We never adjust since we came inside.
Yeah.
And then we never feel anything
Yeah.
like hot or noise.
yeah, it doesn't like, some hotels they will cut off suddenly and then they will rerun the whole system again. But over here it's like quite pretty consistent throughout the night. Yeah.
Let's go to have breakfast.
Breakfast time.
Love to have the room near to the club lounge just right beside.
Yeah.
Let me show you how the breakfast looks like. Right over here, it says the egg stations and some of the bacon, fried vegetable, the porridge. Today they have the seafood porridge, and then the clear chicken mushroom soup. Perfect for hangover. Then this seasonal vegetable. This is brown sugar steamed mantou. Sounds good. Then cheese and potato, salted vegetable, oven baked mackerel fish, grilled rosemary pork, and there's a steamed rice and some small little pickle. The sushi, the salad right over here, the cold cut, the cheese, some bakery, the bread, croissant, and the coffee actually is not bad. Although I stopped drinking coffee for a while and I taste it's not bad. And they have the cranberry vinegar, lychee vinegar, orange juice, and mixed fruit and vegetable juice. The tea selections, soft drinks, and the cereal. I tried the soya milk last night. It's very nice. 4 different types of cereals, and then 2 different types of the milk, whole milk and the skim milk, and some of the condiment for the what they call bakery, and some fruit and yogurt, whole fruits, banana, apple, and then 2 different types of yogurt, low fat and fruit yogurt, and oatmeal. If you're in Taiwan, you must try their guava. The Taiwanese guava is very good. I would say it's included with the 1,300 dining voucher, and we decided to have it to try in the lobby lounge with their famous Taiwanese beef noodle, and this is what you can get. We have 2 bowls and then the fried chicken wing. It looks really good. Overall, I still okay to recommend you to come and stay here. In regarding of the price wise, I think acceptable to me. I used to have bad impression of this hotel with some of the room
Because
stuff.
of the check-in stuff.
Yeah, a couple times. And then, but this stay was quite a pleasant stay. We managed to get our room quite early, 7 a.m.
Yeah.
And then we got late checkout, all this thing. We got a nice room upgrade.
Yeah, I like the room actually. It faces a different view, and it's also like what I said earlier. The soundproofing is actually quite excellent.
Yeah, we have a bigger room last time, and it was not that comfortable. But this room is actually perfect size and shape.
Yeah. And then the mini massager in the room is a bonus for us. Yeah.
And I love about this hotel, the gym, is actually they provide outfits. So you can just get the shirt and pant. I'm not sure whether they provide shoes or not. Maybe they do.
Yeah, we are not sure.
Then there is actually a spa facility for men and female. We are not allowed to make video inside. There's a water jet thing and sauna, steam room, hot pool and cold pool things. It's actually not bad. Also have hair tonic for your hair.
Yeah, hair cream.
hair gel, like
retro
very old school
hair
thing.
cream.
Yes.
Yeah, but yeah, so all in all, I think actually the lounge, the food selection is pretty okay. Decent, I would say.
So I think the thing make me feel a little bit down, lower the rating is that the lounge, like the food is not as good as last time.
Oh, yeah lah. It's definitely not as good as like the pre-pandemic days, but actually you can have a good meal there in the evening as well as in the morning.
But I don't like the afternoon tea. It's like a leftover food from the breakfast. And just a few pieces of cake. I think it's very shallow.
Yeah. Compared to some other properties.
And this is quite a well-known hotel in Taiwan. Do check out their buffet. It's quite popular. And
Signature beef noodles.
I think it's Not too
Not very
bad.
gelat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like not very greasy. Not too bad.
Yep.
Okay, with that, we hope you like this video. Bye bye.